Namaskar दोस्तों and welcome to SM Smart Profile Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for 15th and 16th December 2025. फ्रेंड्स ये एक एजुकेशनल वीडियो है जिसमें हम मार्केट प्रोफाइल और ऑर्डर फ्लो चार्ट्स को यूज करते हैं प्रोबेबल एरियाज ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन एग्जॉशन ट्रैप्स एक्सेट्रा को आइडेंटिफिकेशन करते हैं मार्केट प्रोफाइल और ऑर्डर फ्लो को कंबाइन करते हैं और एक बेहतरीन व्यू और एनालिसिस बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं फ्रेंड्स हम सेबी रजिस्टर्ड नहीं हैं वी आर नॉट सेबी रजिस्टर्ड हम किसी भी टाइप की ट्रेड एडवाइस ट्रेडिंग टिप्स नहीं देते हैं हम अपने ट्रेड्स भी शेयर नहीं करते हैं दिस वीडियो शुड बी व्यूड ओनली एंड ओनली फॉर एजुकेशनल पर्पसेस राइट Now, having said that, let us see कि आज क्या हुआ मार्केट में. This is the profile for today. Yesterday we had a sort of a normal type of profile with a poor high. Also, poor market पिछले 13 दिन से, for the last 13 days, the market is in consolidation, and this area from 59 to 40 to 59 120 this has become a sort of a multi-day volume POC area where the market comes takes support goes back up right then it again takes rejection comes down ये एक बैलेंस में ही घूम रहा है मार्केट राइट एक वीक स्ट्रक्चर है जहां पे पुअर हाइज और पुअर लोज ही रिपेयर हो रहे हैं we don't see much activity, we don't see much of initiative activity happening. All we see is poor high, poor low, poor highs, poor low. Anyway, let us see what happened today. We got a balanced opening. Balanced opening मिली within yesterday's value area. मैंने कई बार आपको बताया है कि balanced opening क्या होती है. When you open or the day opens within the value area of the previous day, it is known as a balanced opening. And after getting a balanced opening हमें क्या मिला we got an initiative activity low volume के साथ ऊपर हम नीचे गए हैं over here you know we got some initiative activity sellers did come in but sellers को acceptance नहीं मिला the profile of 11th that is this profile of 11 जहां पे TPOs का कंसोलिडेशन था यहां से हमें एक रिस्पॉन्सिव एक्टिविटी दिखी ट्रैप्स दिखे रिस्पॉन्सिव एक्टिविटीज दिखी एंड द मार्केट spent a little time over here it did not create value below it created value above only and after that the responsive activity से market ऊपर जाके एक पुअर लो बनाया है बट देयर वाज नो इनिशिएटिव बाइंग इट वाज टोटली रिस्पॉन्सिव हमने सेलर्स के लिए मार्केट ने टेस्ट किया नीचे बट सेलर्स नहीं मिले एक मीडियम आई भी मिला मार्केट स्पेंट टाइम ऑन 11th वैल्यू एरिया लो एंड बी एंड सी पीरियड में भी responsive activity was accepted and the auction code reversed signaling a two-way movement but at the same time ये एक poor low छोड़ता हुआ गया है ऊपर right so it's not a very good initiative buying that took place just a responsive buying but we also got a सिंगल प्रिंट एरिया इन दी एफ पीरियड पहले 3 प्रिंट्स का सिंगल प्रिंट एरिया था 2 प्रिंट्स कवर हो गए द मार्केट हैज क्रिएटेड वैल्यू ओवर हियर आल्सो दिस सीम्स टू बी मोर ऑफ अ मिक्स्ड टाइप ऑफ डे एक डबल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डे भी कह सकते हो इसको एक न्यूट्रल डे तो मैं नहीं कहूंगा बट ओवर हियर आल्सो वैल्यू हैज बीन क्रिएटेड हियर आल्सो वैल्यू हैज बीन क्रिएटेड then there is a single print but the value area is also very large so it's a double distribution type of a day but अगर आप इन दोनों डेज को देखो तो वैल्यू ओवरलैप हुए हैं हमारा क्लोजिंग कहाँ हुई है क्लोजिंग वैल्यू एरिया में हुई है which again means that the market failed to establish any higher activity also. तो ऊपर भी मार्केट जाते फेल हुई है, नीचे भी जाते मार्केट फेल हुई है, right? So still in a state of balance, still in a state of flux, attempts to find a lower value does not find, attempts to find a higher value does not find and comes back. Overlapping value areas हैं. अर्ली सेलर्स ने यहाँ पे क्या क्रिएट किया, अर्ली सेलर्स दे क्रिएटेड अ शॉर्ट इन्वेंट्री, बट फिर हमें यहाँ पे वैल्यू एरिया लो पे 11th के रिस्पॉन्सिव बाइंग नजर आई है. These responsive buyers gave a short covering. So total overall क्या हुआ, टोटल ओवरऑल एक इन्वेंट्री करेक्शन ही हुई है. There was no new business today. So if I have to sum up, what would I say? I would just say it is not a bullish initiative day. It is a responsive repair day. It's which balance जो है उसने dominate किया है. Structure हमारे weak हैं. Structure needs repair. Poor lows हैं, poor highs हैं, unfinished businesses हैं. For the last 13 days, we are in a state of balance. The market needs to find a proper direction. Let us see when it finds it. What is the probability for tomorrow? Probability for tomorrow also will depend upon the opening. But again, uh, until and unless we see initiative activity along with the follow through, the market is going to remain in a state of balance only. Let us see what happened in Nifty. I'll give a quick review of Nifty. Nifty में with some of our friends we could do a live session in which we could also show some areas of absorption, exhaustion and all, and we also watched from there how the market reacted, right? So this was the value area where we saw responsive buying coming in Nifty, and also the market reversing till it created a uh, extension in the L period. But the market again overlapping values, closing within the value area of the previous day, again within a 13 days up and down balanced activity. We'll see where the market opens tomorrow. If it opens above this and spends a little time and we see some buyers coming in, we may see some initiative activity and the market goes up. But if it doesn't, and even if it opens outside and fails to hold on, we will definitely come down again. But this is all going to depend. We have to be very, very particular. We have to watch each and every step. कि order flow में क्या हो रहा है, how things are sustaining, and we have to define our risks before we define our profits. Let me show you the order flow. ये order flow है. This is where the market opened. Whenever the market opens with zero prints, it's usually market like this, right? बट यहाँ पे हमें क्या नजर आया, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा हमें absorption, थोड़ा सा traps, a retest and a trap, and after this we saw a positive candle and the market did not come down. ये एक सिंगल प्रिंट एरिया है जो हमने मार्क किया है. ये एफ पीरियड का सिंगल प्रिंट एरिया है. नाउ वी विल सी where the market opens tomorrow and how the sellers and buyers behave. Let us see what happened in the Nifty order flow. This was the Nifty order flow. एक अच्छी कैंडल के साथ खुला है. This candle also I marked. लाइव सेशन में मैं बार बार यही कह रहा था कि this candle is a little strong. It came to this value area. यहाँ पे हमें अच्छी absorption नजर आई है. There was then 26,000 was also there, a round figure. So responsive activity did happen. The market did go up, but I did not see any fresh buying, all responsive stuff. So we'll see tomorrow what happens, and we'll meet again either tomorrow or day after to discuss कि मार्केट में क्या हुआ, आर वी स्टिल इन अ स्टेट ऑफ बैलेंस और some initiative activity did come in. This only time will tell. So thank you very much for giving a patient hearing, and bye bye.